Imagine a 34 billion valuation, reportedly based on a truck rolling downhill. A promise so powerful, investors compared it to Ford. But then, a bombshell, Hindenburg's report crashes the dream, slashing Nikola's stock by 40% in a single blow. Investors, hypnotized by his words, catapult Nikola to an estimated 34 billion valuation. But here's the staggering part. It's reportedly more than Ford overnight. Something's off. Amid cheers, the Nikola 1 truck is unveiled. Cameras flash, crowds roar. But is this the future, or just a facade? Sleek design, promises of zero emissions, a leap into the future they claim. But then, whispers start. Is it real? Can it even drive? A video surfaces. The flagship truck, majestic, is rolling down a hill. Skepticism erupts. Was that demo a deception? Investors hold their breath. It all hinges on one question. Was Nikola's empire built on solid ground or shifting sands of empty promises? In 2020, a storm brews. Hindenburg Research targets Nikola. But who are they? Wall Street's preeminent short seller. Their report is explosive, accusing Nikola of staging demonstrations and turning dreams into a mirage. Nikola's stock plummets. 40% gone. Milton, under fire, reportedly calls it a smear campaign. But here's the twist. The rolling truck. A symbol of innovation. Now a symbol of deceit. Investors watch in horror as shares dive. The SEC steps in, launching investigations that threaten to unravel Nikola's carefully woven narrative. Milton, defiant, yet isolated. Pressure builds. Then, the inevitable, resignation. Milton's resignation marks the beginning of the end, as the empire he built begins to crumble. Nikola's glamorous facade crumbles. Lawsuits abound, legal teams scramble. Millions vanish as Nikola reports staggering legal costs. The SEC steps in, launching a rigorous inquiry. Panic spreads. Investors sift through the rubble, discovering a shocking depth of deceit that shakes their faith to the core. Oh, imagine watching dreams dissolve, billions dissipate into thin air. The wildest part? It was all a show, an empire propped up by a truck rolling downhill. More revelations surface, each more damning than the last. Milton's charismatic defenses crumble under the weight of evidence. Courtroom drama peaks as witnesses and evidence stack against him. It's over. Milton was found guilty of wire and securities fraud. Milton's conviction sends shockwaves through Wall Street. Nikola's stock, once a darling, tumbles into oblivion. Investor faith evaporates. Millions are lost in the blink of an eye as Nikola's stock plummets. 2025, Nikola is a shadow, filing for Chapter 11. Once promising technology, now a cautionary tale. The scandal's ripple effects hit the entire electric sector. Trust, but verify echoes through boardrooms worldwide. Wide! Amid chaos, Hindenburg gains legendary status. Hindenburg disbands, leaving behind a legacy of exposed truths and a new era of accountability, leaving a trail of exposed truths in their wake. Nikola's empire crumbled, but the dust it stirred points to a larger truth. Investors, dazzled by Nikola's vision, are now left to grapple with a harsh, sobering reality. The allure of innovation can blind even the savviest minds. Trevor Milton sold the dream. Investors bought it without reservation. Unproven tech and charismatic leaders. It's a dangerous cocktail that can intoxicate even the shrewdest minds. But here's the crazy part. They weren't the only ones fooled. The Hindenburg Report wasn't just about Nikola. It redrew trust maps. Hindenburg's legacy, a scalpel for corporate accountability. Their investigations exposed billions lost to lies, not just Nikola. Trevor Milton's tale is a cautionary one, but not unique. Nikola's story whispers warnings to those chasing the next big thing. Lessons? Scrutinize grand promises, verify before investing. Trust must be earned, not assumed. It's the armor for innovation. Reflect on Nikola. Due diligence isn't just smart, it's essential. A reminder: transparency's worth more than gold in innovation's realm.